Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. Now this is a short Geometry Dash tutorial. I'll show you on how you can connect spikes to blocks in Geometry Dash seamlessly. So of course the first thing that you want to do is to actually put your your block. And basically in my case I'm going to be using this block right here just to make everything seamless. And right after, you then want to click on the block itself, click Edit Object. And for the base color, you just want to make this into a pure black, which is going to be this one. Click OK, and then it will simply show up something like this. Right after, let's navigate through our spike. And then let's go ahead and put the spike right here. And just do the same thing for the base color. You want to make it black. And for the detail color, once again, just make it black. And then it should go ahead and look something like this. Now, of course, you could click on edit and then bring it down once so it will become more seamlessly. And if you want to edit out the details of the actual block itself, maybe you could head over to something like the edit group, T1, and then from here you could just edit out the color the way you want to, just to make sure to show the outlines right here. But in my case, I want everything to be seamless and connected, so I chose this specific colors right here. So what you want to do is to just highlight them together, Control C and Control V, and then you can make a bunch of this blocks right here, or this spike connected to blocks endlessly. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.